Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best IKEA Tool Kit is probably one of the most versatile and affordable tool kits available on the market, perfect for assembling IKEA furniture and tackling various small DIY projects around your home, offering great value for money and essential tools for any homeowner or renter, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner. Number 5. Cartman 39-piece tool set. It has everything you need for small repairs and DIY projects. You'll find a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, a tape measure, and so much more. It's built to last. The heat-treated and chrome-plated finish resists corrosion, ensuring years of dependable use. Keep it all together and easily accessible. It comes with a handy plastic toolbox to keep everything organized and secure. Take it anywhere. It's lightweight and has a convenient carrying handle for easy transport. Looking for a thoughtful present? This makes a fantastic gift for friends and family for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. Let's take a closer look at all the amazing tools included in this comprehensive kit. You'll be amazed at its versatility. What we like. It has all the tools you need for small repairs and DIY projects. The tools are heat-treated and chrome-plated for durability. If you're looking for a complete, well-organized kit for basic home repairs, this is a great option. What people say. All the pieces snap into their own spot in the box. Very lightweight and compact for easy storage. The toolbox is pretty sturdy and the mix of tools is great. It's no substitute for real tools, but for the odd repair or assembly job a college kid is likely to encounter, these tools in the kit fit the bill. Number 4. Cartman 148-piece tool set. It has everything you need for home repairs and car maintenance. From small repairs to larger projects, it's got you covered. It's made with durable, heat-treated tools that resist corrosion. This means it will stand up to tough use and last for years. The sturdy blow-molded case keeps everything organized and easy to find. Each tool has its own spot, so you'll always know where it is. It meets or exceeds industry standards, giving you high quality at a great price. You're getting a lot of tools for your money. Looking for a thoughtful present? This set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a gift that keeps on giving. With this comprehensive kit, you'll be prepared for any task. It's the ultimate tool set for the DIY enthusiast. What we like. This kit boasts a massive 148 pieces, perfect for extensive projects. Each tool is heat-treated for superior durability and corrosion resistance. If you need a wide variety of tools for both automotive and household tasks, this kit is the best choice. What people say. The Cartman General Household Tool Set is exactly what I needed. It comes with all the essential tools for basic home repairs, maintenance, and DIY projects. The quality of the tools is solid, and the variety of items covers almost everything I could need. The case is compact and keeps everything neatly organized, making it easy to store and access. This tool kit includes a comprehensive selection of tools such as wrenches, metric-sized sockets, precision screwdrivers, a hammer, tape measure, pliers, and much more. Really light, perfect size case, and most importantly gets the job done. The comfortable grip handles make each tool easy to hold, which is a godsend during longer projects. Used hard for 3 years of regular fleet maintenance and I just had my first and most used piece break. Not only that, but it was probably my fault. I was using an ungodly amount of leverage which finally caused my handle to strip from the socket driver. Great set. Number 3. MULWARK 17 PCS Folding Allen Wrench Set. This versatile set is perfect for any job, big or small. Its premium materials ensure lasting performance and the flexible design makes it ideal for tight spaces. It includes both metric and SAE sizes, covering a wide range of applications. You'll always have the right tool for the job at hand. This unique design allows it to reach those hard-to-reach spots with ease. It's perfect for working in confined spaces. Made from high-grade alloy steel, it offers maximum performance and durability. It's strong enough for any task, yet gentle enough to prevent stripping. The ergonomic handles provide excellent grip and leverage, making tightening fasteners quick and easy. You'll feel the difference. This set makes an excellent gift for both professionals and hobbyists. It's a tool they'll use and appreciate for years to come. What we like. This set features a flexible angle design, ideal for tight spaces. It's made from premium materials for exceptional performance. If you frequently work in confined areas and value a compact, high-quality tool, this is for you. What people say. The wrenches themselves are made of a sturdy, durable material that gives me confidence they'll withstand plenty of use. Having 17 different sizes all neatly contained in one compact folding unit is incredibly convenient. The folding mechanism is smooth and secure. The wrenches lock into place nicely when in use, preventing any unwanted slipping or movement. Number 2. Stalwart 15-piece tool set. This handy tool kit is perfect for minor repairs around the house or office. It's a must-have for tackling those everyday DIY projects and home improvements. It comes with all the basics: a hammer, adjustable wrench, pliers, and a multi-bit screwdriver. Everything you need is made of durable metal for long-lasting use. This compact tool kit comes in a durable plastic case, perfect for storage anywhere, your home, car, or even dorm room. It's also a great gift idea. From fixing leaky faucets to assembling furniture, it can handle a variety of tasks. It's the ideal tool kit for all your home repair needs. Made of durable plastic and metal, it measures 10.5 x 7 x 2.25, weighs 2.7 pounds, and includes 15 essential tools in a convenient red and black case. What we like. This kit includes essential tools for minor home repairs. It comes in a compact case for easy storage. If you need a simple, affordable set for everyday tasks, this is a practical choice. What people say. All the tools feel pretty solid, decent weight to them as well. It's been working just fine for me and doing its job. The tools are small and of average quality, but they fit snugly into the hard plastic case, no rattles, and the case closes securely. The set includes everything you need in a pinch. The screwdriver handle accepts a variety of flat and Phillips head bits, the pliers have a wire cutter, the wrench is functional, the clawhead hammer is lightweight but reasonably balanced. The hammer is pretty solid and I've had no problems with the screwdriver. Great set for light work or if you just need the basics. Number 1. HOTO Cordless Drill Tool Set. It boasts a portable case, neatly organizing all the tools. The hidden buckles and finely textured ABS casing give it a premium look and feel. This powerful drill features a high-definition LED display for real-time control. Its brushless motor ensures steady, efficient operation, and the USB-C charging is super convenient. The screwdriver has an anti-roll surface and magnetic bit holder for easy use. The adjustable spanner has a wide jaw and strong grip, perfect for various tasks. The claw hammer includes a magnetic nail starter for one-handed operation and a rubber cap to protect surfaces. It also comes with a complete set of drill bits. The needle nose pliers are versatile, and the 10-foot self-locking measure tape is accurate and easy to use. It's a complete solution for all your household needs. It's a high-end tool set, perfect for housewarming or as a gift for friends and family. It's both practical and stylish. Remember, it shouldn't be used while charging, and leaving it uncharged for extended periods may cause damage. What we like. It features a cordless design for mobility and a digital display for precise control. This kit is highly versatile, suitable for various tasks. If you value convenience, precision, and a modern design, this high-end option is perfect for you. What people say. The weight is good, the build quality is excellent, power is good and functionality is more than expected for a drill this size. The convenience of having tool cutouts in a slick modern toolbox is nice so that you know nothing is missing. The drill is so lightweight it's easy to use for all my decor hanging and furniture assembly needs. Love the tape measure, hammer and case, feels very well made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.